Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a professional blank form in Microsoft Word step by step. This type of form can be used for job applications, school or college admissions, office registration, and many other data collection purposes. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word and create a blank document. Next, go to the Layout tab, click on Size and choose the appropriate paper size according to your requirements. Then click on Margin and set the page margin as needed. Now let's add a border around the page. Go to the Design tab, click on Page Border. Select the box option and click OK. Now let's create the form title. Go to the Insert tab and select Text box. I am using a text box here instead of a rectangular shape. Type blank form inside the text box. Increase the font size, make it bold, change the font color to white and apply a blue fill to the text box. Next, create another text box for the personal information heading. Next, go to the Insert tab again and insert another text box. Type personal information and format it the same way as the title. This will be the heading for the first section of our form. Now let's create the personal information section. Under the heading, type the following fields: full name, father's name, mother's name, date of birth, gender, home address, phone number, email address. Add a clone after each label. To do this, press Ctrl plus U, then press the Tab key to create clean, evenly spaced line. Next, let's insert checkbox for the gender field. Type 2610, then press Alt plus X. It will automatically convert into a checkbox symbol. After that, type male, female and others beside the checkbox. Now the personal information section is complete. Next, let's create the education information section. Simply copy the personal information heading, paste it below and change the text to educational information. This is a quick and efficient way to maintain the same design. Now go to the Insert tab and insert a 4 column by 5 row table. In the first row, enter the following headings: exam degree, board, university, passing year, result. Adjust the column widths and row heights as needed. Center align the table headings and apply borders to give the table a clean and professional appearance. Now your educational information table is complete. Now let's create the additional information section. Again, copy the previous heading, paste it below and change the text to additional information. Under this heading, type experience, skills, other information. Create writing lines beside each item. Again, press Ctrl plus U, then press the tab key to create a evenly spaced line. Finally, add the signature and date fields at the bottom and create lines for the board. Now the entire form layout is complete. Now review the entire form carefully. If you notice any spacing, alignment or font size issues, make the necessary adjustment. Keep all headings in the same style. Use the same font throughout the document. Also make sure all lines and tables are properly aligned. This small formatting adjustment will give your document a clean and professional appearance. And that's it. You have successfully created a professional blank form in Microsoft Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more Microsoft Word tutorials. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Have a great day.